Touch the Latin Secretary to and Guidance La People Kasushu, Ani Tarangi reading tea, weekly reading ye, Ani Kiran Suchi to Tarik Chongan in Sajik Perlara, Karagar Chungutu, on the color reading ye, the any first 6 Naranzoki Lota took Chiora Tango Chewalang Tak you took tool. Oh, they took the part 1, Tanda the part 1 ye, or they took Tanda the part Tinala, Ani Lota took the you. Chewalang ta yo tuk tul kerangi lota tinani khanu chili gyo ai na dingi dum kerangi chedu re la shwe kerangi chedu next 7 days ra next 7 days tarik chonga ni sachik phala kare gar chungu odi color reading yi ani kerangi chedu current energy ni chek chigi ra ani ti cheni ani kerangi chedu health relationship career di sama detail tingi ni blessings and guidance kare gar di sama yo la shwe yi ti ni so gi lota na la che choba che Ni loda kansan ki time stamp in description ala sha yö la share yi ani so check out chira ani ngendung gi gyoglo di so yi setting na ni sue ba chira setting na ni so kale ko na setting na kale tang ya twa playback speed tira ani gyopo ko na yang gyopo speed kan la tang ya to o den so gi la so yi che o ga che o den share yi 아니 당보 로다 chewa ko le chewa lo so kerangi chedu next 7 days kare chungudu odi kola yi la shwegi ani tangbo kerangi tanda current energy kandido chitedura odi chite ngora tangbo current energy okay chewa lo so current energy next 7 days sitari chongani sajik phalare dara oh current energy strength nice keranzu be 항상 strong chenira Be strong, pure, simple sangma positivity o dende shukchimbo dewa current energy o dende tingidra kiransu be positivity kan shukchimbo ani kale shukchimbo kera so yidanda lega chego chik so yidanda chik che de chora ngima kalaure daily routine do chik so chego chora o dege be yakpo follow chiara o dende do chido you are following your daily routines and you are working very hard and you are being patient and also you are pure and very kind ra on the page sama thongdu okay the lover's card and it's sewa ningje chamkyong compassionate you are being compassionate towards others ra tikirangi yana love life in sigre love life la tanda recently kirangi the love life pe yakpo chaya do chira sawachi go zo ne re kirangi yogyo dege ne re the pe positive love life pe sangma yakpo honesty conversation ra ke cha pe shit sangma syo de do da relationship pe ning che mo chawa yakpo chawa dong do ra your relationship looks very good right now ra you have if you have begin your relationship or this can be your old relationship but right now your relationship looks very good ra pe yakpo hangsang ya pe sangma honesty ra ani open communication ra pe hangsang ya yakpo kasang ting sang chen ke ja shi pe sim ra sim ting ne pe kalaure open keja same thing keja sangma she tuya ani chuine ngen tuya ani phachu pe chisang nang sang chia leira ho di shuk chimpu tingidura relationship currently ek energy ning chemudu pe yakpo hang sang yakpo okay ani financial cholara so career chole pe kale shuk chimpu kya tugyo de tingidura you are working very hard towards your career ra on de do chitingido ani kerangi chidu ta Dunta digi chidu guidance ra what's guidance for you okay the guidance la ghari ligi dula na this addiction dang attachment ba shuk chimpu hang sang shuk chimpu mashak la jira don't be too much attached to the things to the person this can be anyone ra don't be too much attached towards something okay this is your guidance for this week too much don't do too much okay ba hang sang ya shuk chimpu pe attach shuk chimpu chai chime on di mache la do chi tu dura love life la insigre yana kerang ge sa ya tungya ta diet ki kang la den de yang pe kala ore junk food den de la pe attach shuk chimpu chai to dang yana di toxic and the chigora the toxic the relationship in sire yana toxic the consume ras saya tungye gi tende kang la so nu je gi rek tende kang la di sab chiera on the do chitingi okay then the kaji chi financial tende kang la in sire so ye career life la pe ta chobo yak pu se chi du ta lega this ta tende ra kang ta this chi alertness this kalaure this Pe this sub chigoera, pe alert de goerang shidra. Be alert, okay? Towards your career, this can be in a relationship, or this can be your career, this can be in your health, right? This can be anything. You have to be a little bit careful, okay? Don't attach too much towards something, right? This is your guidance, first guidance, and second guidance. Guidance ni wan di karili idula na guidance chirtang ne pe energetic kerang ra tanta chi karili idula na kerang ki kari tola chi jego lan sam de chi ora on di chena pe yak pu du lan li idu da kerang ki chi sam de gyo chi ra career chola chi jego samya to da phama pinche gi tola chi jego relationship chola chi jego da chi jego lan kerang ki idea ki de gyo chi ora on di apply chi pe yak pu du lan ra whatever you are thinking to do, thinking to apply something, right? Thinking to do in your towards your career. This can be in a relationship. This can be anything. Whatever you have something in your mind, just apply it in this week. Be practical in this week. This week is going to be very good for you. Whatever you're going to do. So that's your second guidance. Last guidance niwa on the deli do karechik samlo la yo ine on di kanange je show pe yakpo do dunta dilla tati samlo kashi chi chi du chunjunchi ingirra initiate je gotsuya chunjunchi gotsuya kashi chi do pe chimbo ende insigir ta business and chimbo ende che kashi chi do chunjunchi nga and the health ki chola den chik chego relationship chola den chik chego la to da ni dep chik loya gotsugo la to da era da chingjing de den insig ta khari imba ine gotsuk kirang gi samlo chik tan da chik chego sam de chora pe yak podu la guidance on the lead. Okay, whatever this can be small thing or this can be big thing, whatever you are thinking to do something towards your career, or this can be in a relationship, or this can be towards your health to make it better, whatever you are thinking, just do it. Okay, this is your second guidance. Ani kirangi chedo health. Okay, health la simdi ke kuch mi do hang sang ya pudu health, physical health, emotional health, mental health sangma ra simgi kam lugi kam la ira ta sangma pe yakpo teo thangbo du ra pe hang sang yakpo du positivity tengi do pe yakpo du ke kuch health kan la simdi do ge komi do dada gisi kena zo health kan la tis kanye do to gyo wa ine next 7 days health pe positive tengi do. Okay, mental health in re, physical health in re, kari in ra kerangi emotional in pe well being pe positivity kerangi so la pe take care chiara so la pe sab chia diet in so pe sab chini liya health chola kerangi hang sang yakpo tengi do simdi kyuni go min do ra kerangi kala or mental health la this kanye samlo da me da kon kanye thigyo negativity kan this kanye thigyo ine ke simdi ko mi do next 7 days kerangi pe positive so la yakpo so chi me positive ani health physical health kan la ne pe hang sang yakpo ani so la news gi rik pang ya tho dang ani phe gi rik consume che do de pe positive thing to health kan hang sang yakpo do ani so the pugudu da ande deba yo ine kenan so la kala ore chaya gi chance to karjina physical health pe yakpo do gi sikirang gi de deba yo ina de da an pe hang sang yakpo do ani health kan la simde ko mi do ani di che ne kenan gi che do relationship ra next 7 days relationship. Okay, relationship kan la pe balance kan la do ya tungi do ra kenan gi currently relationship hang sang yakpo chi to study relationship sawa chi go to insegre new beginning of the relationship. This can be anything. Your current energy looks very good towards your relationship ra and then after this next 7 days you are going to be balanced towards your relationship, being balanced, not too much attached and not too much detached ra, in balance ra pe balance yakpo chi relationship kila kerangi pe hang sang ya balance yakpo chi tungi dura hang sang ya chi yakpo kya ra sewa sula katsui la kakamste go to kecha katsui shego to katsui shego mindu kandi soso nyargo to kandi tengo to la echa da pe balance on the relationship la hangsang ya balance yakpo tido mista yakpo la yora balance ti goria la ma go sal pe ma po la share to tang aya la go sal la ma thwe to tang chi yora da relationship soso ita nyen nye do roboto mo kor din zo la yora o de chola kirangi pe hangsang ya balance yakpo chi yakpo tingi do yora relationship. 아니 계속 있다 기어 지고서 약부 지고서든 저 배 항상 기어 지도에 약부 지도가 오든 튕기더라 야 relationship. Okay, 아니 기랑기 health trust relationship 아니 career cholera next 7 days career gala pe harmony lidura business to in by a partnership cheto da yakpu chaya oden tingidura ani chirta ne kirangi kare thola chi kirangi satisfaction tingidu kirangi next 7 days kirangi kala ore career chola da relationship la do chidu ka china 2 of cups lida da di career chola partnership cheto da so career khang la lamtin chingi yakpu chik so lo rokpa chingi yakpu ra to da career chola oden tingir lup to in by ne lup chong chi di phachu rokpa che chik la lamtin chi ri se to da ra game ba do da ka chingi din bai den di bai ne so project and you and project di phachu kala or share chen phachu ke ja she ani phachu kare discuss yak po chini du chen thak chu to da gang tar pe kala or partnership ra the business line partnership gari chokla partnership the pay hang sang next 7 days la partnership yakpo raya o den tingi du kenan partnership go something in yo and partnership chola pay yakpo hang sang positivity tingi dura ani de kana business to imba inere leka chingi imbe inere ngazura gari line phachu da kala ore teamwork chiara nyamrup chene leka chiara teamwork is going to be there in a career path okay for next 7 days yakpudu ani career ya pe hangsa yakpudu chida ne kerang ki chidu guidance de la this chik alert de go this kala or manipulate chia da mi ko gorta this chik alert de go chik guidance le so ma shi shimba kerang ki chida ne pe positive card dura next 7 day hangsa ya positivity shuk shimbudu danda current energy kerang ki hangsa yakpudu daga nangshing next 7 days hangsa ya yakpudu semde kyune go medura your current energy looks very good and for next 7 days cards are very positive for you. Only one card is there that says that's your guidance as a being alert, being awareness, be aware and be alert. That's only guidance. Other than that, everything is very positive, very good card for you. Okay, so next 7 days are going to be very good. Nothing to be worried about. Okay, any animal spirit gi guidance karite dura. Next 7 days animal spirit. Okay. Hog spirit like the leader de animal spirit ki let spirit be your guide. Okay kerang ge chidura guidance spirit la guide jechuk la ni ligidura spirit guide la na so gida na intuition power shuk chembo yongin de zon so you gut feeling la to da de la shana tirra ani kala spirit yang so gi depa chesa chig yora da so suma ende to da so gi ta la mo ende tang ende su de so namgyun depa che de sa de yora tsawela matende to o de so la o de su depa chesa so la protect chingin chi yora da o de ge la ani guide chechuk lamdun chechuk ra on de universe la guide chechuk ra da so ende sisa ende game me by na universe la guide chechuk the magician chipta the next 7 days keran so kharicha ga draw ine madube ende ge thongi mindu yora khare chok la keran ge chikali ge health chola kali ge yu pe ra relationship chola kali ge yu pe yang na keran ge khare career chola kali ge financial chola kare chola keran ge kali ge de la ra tibudu okay next 7 days keran so la kare chik jaga done dup thoguya gi tungyu to the positive card hangsa ya positively dura ani keran so gi attraction keran so gi deep down sim na la keran so gi khande chik sik khande dik keran gi sim na la deep down nyar go ya chira da so attraction che the love attraction like the manifestation che on the manifest che do keran gi chidura attract che do keran gi chido karili du katra message to begin the practice of allowing I must get out of the way and let spirit give me direction. Okay, that thing on a spirit la guide dikhare guide je chugla de hawk spirit ke dirang keles animal spirit ke ra ani kerang so gi da leka chigora da thanda bab chik chaga to madubya to da chik madike to da de chun chung de yo ai na ta this time ne dup to wachi ne kale jap ta so kale gya go eta re ne result tira spirit la this guide je chugla de shuk chimbo ligi du da ra di da de kat ni thamba ye guidance to gi du ra kerang so gi da rang so rang gi control che chi ma gya wa che ti chigra guidance ta so gi da sisa chi yora da so la guide chengi so la protect chengi on de la guide che chukla ni on de shuk chimbu ligidura to begin the practice of allowing I must get out of the way and let spirit give me direction. The spirit la direction te chuk there let spirit be your guide ra de message ni kai confirmation di card ke dagara tigidu di card ke dagara tigidu ra din de da di ta kiranzo switch da guidance na hang masra da kiranzo la woten de da ta mangche chi chi do ingire kiranzo la guide che chuk lai dira da so this chik dang la gyosa ga che go ma chuk this chik so confusion chagi yo ina ani so ite pa chesa de la melam kyap o de la lam de nang ro che la ni melam kyap ko da on de ne chi ni ye de wa ina shoper padula ani so la de answer the route to chira oh then they do chitungi do okay in kenan so ga chika da hangsa ya positivity do ani guidance yang hangsa ya yakli do ani so lo ga message te be ning chimo chini ra yu pe re wa yu ani kalaure ani nyendung ti sikpa la tu che nang ani ngur du chi yong ani ke sikiran zo gi subscribe che me ba na subscribe chi ru chi just le lang lo to so kera gi chi do next 7 days ra tarik chonga ni sachik phar la gare chong gi do on the color reading la share ra ani nyendung de la kyoko khata chi nang che ani channel de la subscribe nang me ba na kyoko subscribe na ru che la share ra andi che ne kalaure kera gi current energy ra okay the detachment kerangi current energy candidate which tingi to la na currently kerangi this chik 카시야 physically 타링 부투기 라소소 남에 빈쟁년 여도 보통 여사 소소이 남균 대사딜레트 스탁링 부투기도 시둥이더라 양 카시기 제도디 카리잉기라나 양 mentally detachment 해지라다 소소이다 착반데 또다 소소이 직 여라다 직딩기 코로아기다 딜라 균을 보여달라 차대야 딜레마 디스 detach 소소 디스 카타리 부세 소소이 남균 직 미도치다 다솔라이네 직 숙침보 차대교나다 디 직이란게다 타링 부치교도 시오덴데 띵이더라다 칼레갈레 다 숙침보 서로알리 대셔 딜레티 식다 튕겨도 시팅이더라 detach 자기오도라 current energy 온데도 시팅이도 아니 키랑게 치도 current energy 간디들나 오케이 강뚝뚝 빼 나와 깊고 양양 대라 빼 positivity 숙침보 소소이 셈셈바나 positivity 숙침보 킬레 트라이 치교도라 야나 키랑 수다 meditation yoga 치야도다 냥 사자 빼 positive 사자 교유 statistic nature 요 사딘데레 토요기레 양나 빵빼 메독 닝지 무시알고 텐데 인시기라 타키란저교 텐데 강뚝뚝기다 positivity 사사자 엔델라 트레덴데 인기라 키란저까지 양양나 소소기다 낭로테 meditation 치 낭심기 빼 정마스요 텐데 키랑기 current energy 왜 항상 약부뚱이더라 키랑기 남균직 차 먹었을 때 착박이 돼 착돼 요라다 소소이 attachment 리 치라 you are detaching from something ra this can be anything ra kenagi detachment ningido라 and your current energy looks like some of you are going far away from your home, from your family members, from your friends, okay? This can be also possible for some of you, and you are being very positive, okay? You are being kind, positive, you are going in a very beautiful places. This is your current energy, okay? And you have received some new new opportunity ra you have received some new opportunity kokap sawachi rawa tende dingidura current energy kiranzola yana idea sawachi rana yana kokap sawachi yana kirala michi ge offer sawachi ra etodara ta di offer career chola insigre relationship chola insigre ta khari ne kiranzola ta sawachi ra idea sawachi chigo tende do current energy o tende do dingidu ta chikcheo samya thoda me so tende dingidura this can be you are receiving some new opportunities. This can be for your career, this can be for your health, this can be for your relationship. New offers are coming your way. Not coming your way, this is your current energy. Okay, so this is going on. Ra on the don't pay positivity 항상 약부두 ra. Okay, that in it to do current energy can answer yakfuda the data thing the detachment rather than the outcome la page shang de ora da ditanga jungto wachigi light ho da susul majung paying your piat in the day in by ne that can get out tang yakali kagi sine that tibudi jung majung yelapala meal and this lily a detach yet made this tarings net tatu yach yang ring buni tatu yalajo so nyokta di namazu wache yang rings ne taich me nyokta di lo tende do chira current energy tende thing the kantuk to pay positive tiara yana koryu pe kyu endela tia yana simpe sangma kyu sera onene ani new energy okay ani kerang chido dunta di chido guidance karidura okay guidance la kharili dula na kirangi ra that na kirangi knowledge chi yora tanda ba pe shuk kyani jangsha gyo kirangi pe chi khalawre soso tanda ba kalli kyani soso ida chi knowledge mangpo chi chang yora di da di kirangi bejo tang ya du so le sha la de li dura and bejo tang ta khazu le ba na nyar ti da bejo tang la de li dura ani shinsim kyang kyang kirangi pe shuk chi bo samlo tang gi na da di chi rangi dunda rang yak bo suya rangi simba yak bo suya rang kyu sha ya rangi chi di samlo tang ya 온데데 튕기더라 가시치기 치더라다 심발라 깡깡 섬로 땅데 양 소소 랑된 깡깡 랑기 된다 깡깡 숙침보 selfishness 레기라 온디 숙침보 리기와이나 양 키나나라 신드야 디스 섬로 땅고야 오 텐데다 강타르 디스 밸런스 요고 오케이 다 가시 된데요라 랑된 숙침보 리 신든 리 마토야 텐데 임바이나 신든 디스 섬로 땅고야 next 7 days라 야나 가시 양 뺐다 심발라 깡깡 섬로 땅 소소 뺐 템바치 소소 야미 땅 심발라 깡깡 섬로 땅 팅이 된데요 텐데 임바이나 양 소소 된다 디스 섬로 땅고야 오 텐데 파츠 더 밸런스 도라 Shimba tunda le samlo tang sine soso tunda le samlo tang le jo di guidance le da okay if you always thinking about others always you are not thinking about yourself then you need to bring the balance between you can be very kind towards other but you can be kind to yourself as well right? This is your guidance sorry, and so like pay sambuchigo, be kind to yourself. Okay, if you are being selfish, then be kind to others as well. This is also guidance. What did you think it? And it is in the okay, the kirangi next planning, rakirangi chego, chikta chego, ni cheo, sum cheo, and planning to get you on the apply chair, chewa, than kirangi gala. Guidance tau lesson second di kari lana kiran sogi danda pado os takale gyatsar dandu the next nga tende chik chego la idea do ke di na the idea the apply che practical che yakpo duk na nili okay ani live la balance se la de likido being balanced towards your relationship and towards your career, towards your health and towards your studies. Okay, being balanced, bring the balance in between these four aspects of your life. Bring the balance, and if you are thinking to do something, then take action, do it. Okay, this is your guidance for this week. Health la kare li dulana okay health la kiranzo teaching mental teaching betrayal simba kyo me gyo to ting dura this simba similar this kanye shuk chimbo tigyo to dang tadi yang recent in sigire yang omani chung sigyo tende similar this kanye simba this kyo me gyo cha do dang sim kyo nang shuk chimbo le da betrayal this toka betrayal laira da so ko gor tang ni chung ya do da yana so meaning yo de me wa cha to do da khari ne sigire da kinana sim gi this chi kanye this sim la yang na khashi ta nam to mang da samlo ta me da kor yu mang tha ne koram negativity shuk chimbo le ne kora so ki me ge cha to da tende yo ra da kor yu din zo ya pu min do la ne so pe complaining mind to cha to tende in si re khaji chi do ngue so ngone mi ra tende ki cheni simba kyo nang ta situation ki cheni kirang ge pe simba la this ki me ge to chi ra heart la this kanyi yu tende in si khaji chi do yang ngue so heart korang ngone heart problem tende patience in si ra heart patient and in si re ta ine di pe nyu ri mang che chi ki do sim ki kanyi ra re sim la kanyi shuk chimbo ti yo do chi o tende kenanzo currently tende to gyo ina ani kenanzo next 7 days la sim la this healing ra sim la this shide tobia ra this kyu chungya shide tobia o tende next 7 days kenanzo ichido sim la mental peace let together on the thing if you are going through some heartbreak or betrayal, if you are feeling very sad, this can be anything. Okay, if you are going through this kind of situation, then in this next 7 days you are going to feel a little better. You are going to heal from that betrayal and that sadness and that loss, or this can be anything, right? You are going to be healed little by little. Okay, on the chin kale gali healing layer to keshidura kiran simla ti chikanye yo to tante de kare yo na simla ya negativity da nam to da de ta min de gi insire ya na ngu so one ka nye ti de kare ba ne ra da tis kale gali positivity chola le tu ya heal che tu ya tungi dura kiran chi da ni current energy kang top top ki be ki kyu de tu ya try chi gi tungi du be kang top top kyu de try ra on de tungi du right on the do okay the world card leader on this similar this can you ne relationship chola this chicken de me do some chi do okay can anzo chi ta di cheni kinangi health kan la kiran la khari dulana okay health kan la this chick problem do ta dingone kinangi mental health rang in sir mental chola this chick problem right health okay sorry the relationship health la san yang kone health la sorry the relationship chola kiran ki this problem do okay this problem do nge on the tongu dura this study yana this chunjun chi ge problem to pashoro and chunjun ge yana relationship chola problem chimbo in si ra kaji chi dura da chijung di so ta ra odine kan da this problem yo tongu do okay relationship la this nyok sing this problem this tupa and do tongu dura da this so ta ra so chi chilu ka kam sing odi gi chenen kiran this mental sympathy skill me auto de ingirra ani kirangi current energy like detachment gang tup ki kirangi nyokta dan de le this thak rembu to ge gi tungi dura you are going through some difficulties, some issues in a relationship. I can see like that for you. This can be small issue or this can be very big issues for you in a relationship. Okay, you're going through, that's why your heart break and your betrayal, you're feeling betrayed, heartbreak, or this can be anything. Okay, you're feeling like that and you are detaching from your current relationship, or these kind of cards are coming. So I think you're going through a little bit of problem in a relationship. Now the age to do I can see can relationship get kind of like a problem to give me pay yak put to you ani kesem just come at next 70 hang sang ye yak rang tungira ke duga de ke li mare men ke jak shi go ali ta ke cha communicate share kang tup to problem chin chin le to chi go ai ne lam sang ke ja she ne ra ke cha nyimbo yak pu sikten so be yakpo beju tangne kang tup ki yakpo ra positive chola shae chidu ani kang tup ki kecha yakpo shia o dende tungidura ini 망치 치기 치도 그냥 속에 에너지 슉 침보의 relationship 걸라 띠치 근데 키우미교 도 띵기도 오케이 다 딘즈 되게 이니 나 게임인도 야 next 7 days 라 갈리갈리 힐링 달리기래 네 맨 키란조라 가리랑 띵기도 계자 시고에 커뮤니케이트 치고에 강 뚝뚝기 소속이 계자 이네 파다 녁도 된데 두교 나 파양 약보 소속이 라야 레이스인게 가리 아니 추양 약보 니야래라 니아리 share 니가 제로 텐데라 강터 communicate pe yakpo chene ke ja solve che do ya tupa jab sing and my bache communication rang gi solve che do ya o tende tungi dura and kesi kiran zo nyokta ge to gi mewa na best of the best re and next 7 days yang ke ja rang share ke ja rang shene this nyokta chun yungdu yongbu chigidu samnalam sang ke ja shene solve che ra on tende tungi do okay if you are going through some issues in a relationship you have to communicate very openly and you have to listen and try to understand the other person's perspective, okay? Then your relationships are going to be very good in next 7 days. Even if you are not going through some issues in a relationship, then that's going to be very good for next 7 days. You have to just keep in mind that be communicative, be openness, be honest, and try to understand the other person's perspective. That's only for the relationship, okay? That's all. Nothing to worry about. Oh, then they do 아니 갈라오래 이네 망체지기 치는 예간이랑 통기도 다 이네 게임도 next 7 days communicate 치야리 아니 소소소 힐링 들리기도록 가지나 communicate 치니랑 짱마 깨자 solve 치야 짱마 쇠라 오늘에 도치 relationship 강라 결혼을 되지 야나 결혼 게 되바데 예 파마빈제 된소 요 많이네 결혼 ende insigre kajichi chidura soso chikde bayo yang phama binche de zumanya thoda ra soso ita sazana la madiga thoda tende insigre kajichi chide ishi chunju ingire kaji chimbo ingire 강tar ishi chunju chikdura ine communicate je 강tuk도 파족이 다 기시 소소 직 제기라 파족이 맞이라 요나 마리마링아 제기라 라데나 용야 거요 말아디 인디 파족이 카지니 맞이라기도 understanding 치야지게라 아니 소소이네 카진이 디 징이 두두 라다 데 레기치기 치도 두기요 나르다 아니 카진이 징이도 파져들 듯이 약보게 라 베듯이 디테일 강라 약보게 아니 소이네 카진 맞을래 소소 닝요 인디 파져디기 마칠라디 아 지기지기를 두바게 아니나 용해요 말아온데도 강톡톡 커뮤니케이트 오픈 치니 커뮤니케이트 제게자 셰라 가리 거라 두고도 가리 강라 티기민도 어디 강라라 오 텐데도 시팅이도 오케이 따 망부슈 마고 제강들 커뮤니케이트 제거에 소소소 삼로다네 커뮤니케이트 제디랑 뚱기더라 오케이 니 커리어 초라 그래도 오케이 커리어 다 가지지기 치데 엔데서데 커리어 choklanga dende chik chigi lian lopchong na dende chik changi lopsin dende chilingi le to career dende nga lopchong den chega thari bu dende chik la thugi le to da dende ingiri yama lega dende chik chega thugi dende chik chi lap ani nami pinjeng yam this chik so so gida opinion de pa chu ma thuya to da dende ingiri ra ani so so simba ke to da dende ingiri okay the relationship na la on dende ti chik da khang tar da khela so so ha go ra da khari di ba ine khang tar this indi du da ra health kind line can simple cue make you think the relationship line this chick communicate chego ke je chego thende this nyok sing do think do ani dicheni kala ore ani kerange career chog line kerangira shimbagi ente do chick la du so so shita manye do the shimbagi advice to tira so so lamtung chego so so shita manye do the this ente do chi to gyo ina da ani kerange the next 7 days tila kerange team work chego and so so gi de ba khari yu de chere apply chere be practical chere ine shimbagi advice che and ko chungye de ge khari lag do this nang tum nya ra lamtung chi du ani nya ra shimbagi this idea nya so so an khang da team work chego ya thinde tungi do ran so so nam binche tin so discuss chegoya so so career ti kangla di rahtas career ti kharine insigira da so so business che idea to ingiri yana kirangi khala ore job and che ta lopsen and changya lopta and toya ta kharine insigira so so career chola ta dege kichi do yan discuss ya po nami pinche yam discuss ya po je khojogi ne kari lamdun chi du ning goya ra so so sawachi gozu go samgyo ina and so so gi da ning yo de zo kari la du ning goya tungi do so so gi idea she shimbagi nye no de 강들 communicate pe shukchimbuligido tara pe open communicate phachu ke ja shego edi shukchimbuligido relationship na le re career na le re okay kerangi chi the next 7 days ti kang tup tup ki ke ja pe sangma shedu ya ra kang tup tup ki dela khariyo mai bache shimbala ne phachu so so gi business idea do na phachu shimbachi la proposal to ki to gyo na dila yakpul la tu go ya ra nami pinche la ine ta konzi nga inde chigi laga thwe na yakpo latu go ete shi yakpo khajini chigi la na ta di sangma ra question konzi gi khariti gi sangma len yakpo yatu go okay teamwork is coming for you in next 7 days and you have to be very open in communicating towards your parents. This can be your business partner, this can be anything, okay? You have to be very good in communication next 7 days. You have to openly you have to improve your communication skill for next 7 days. On the thing, okay? And you have to be very open. You have to tell the ideas. If you have something to say, you have to be very understanding. You have to be very understanding towards what other persons are people are telling you, giving you advice, okay? You have to listen to them as well, and you have to be very open, and you have to tell everything very openly, okay? Okay, and what is your animal guidance, animal spirits guidance, okay? Communication di shukchimbo listra kinanzo ichi the next 7 days. Skunk spirit, know your worth. Okay, de da hunisum confirmation teachers de kirangi worth karimba kina hago achela jo kirang da chigi la du ada tende yung mare kina chingi mare tende joe da kashi chigi da kangba thing chi ga tende yisi ra kirangi ta tokotomo sosola this chig namgyun da chambu yesam ne ne this tag to side da tende yuba ina an konjo kangba thing chi ga da tende yisi ra know your worth ani kirangi so ni je to gu nga ka gams so you worth hago achela jo ni ka gams chi tu ri ni ka gams chi tu mare so hago ache mi karilam ne lap so you worth so hago achela de shukchimbu li do kirangi chola chirtani be good news satisfaction ani kirangi da kari chik jego sam da yo ine ti changma chega to du kirang la satisfaction kirang la result positively atungi to the go chuk show la cha ani kirangi attract kirangi same thing ne attraction kari lingi du lanara kirangi law of attraction kari bija I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. Okay, the kirangi gang tup the current energy la the sun karli do gang tup keep there pe gang tup simple positivity gang la there pe ki there gang tup khala ore positive samya on the tungi randi into de kirangi same thing ne kirangi attract yang kare chidu love and joy. Kirangi misina la kirangi da kare attract kirangi kare yakpu sungi tudula na kirang kang tup kyu suedang ani kirangi love life pe positive relationship pe positive shay kirang deba shukchimbu kirangi attract shukchimbu chido. Okay, so next 7 days the relationship kale harmony kale yakpu chay tungi dura ani kirangi misina la joy kyu dilli tu ya tungi do. Okay, then the currently kina simnal this kanyi do yo ine kina next 7 days ne kina simnal la kyu shide ta ganang joy like ganang shukchimbu le tu ya ani sewa ratsewa ningji chamkyong shukchimbo letu towards your relationship ra on the doing it ra commit to love and joy. Okay, this is you are attracting for next 7 days and know your worth is your guidance from animal spirit. Okay, so kinan so chi do reading takam si ani so ko message ti pe ning chi mo chi ni ra yo pe rewa yu ani ni dung de la katak channel la subscribe che me na subscribe ani nyir de che yong yen de sik bala te chi nang Thursday later so kina gi the next 7 days tarik chong ni sangi las ni sachik parla kare chung do on the color reading yi ani kirang gi chidu khalawre dang bu current energy tingi ra ding la kirang ni dung de la katak chinang lan share ani channel de la subscribe ang me na subscribe che lan share ani kirang gi current energy. Okay, current energy kirang gi kare dulana balance se chi kya te do shira kirang gi career dang kirang gi relationship ani kirang gi khalawre health changma la kirang gi discipline to ge try che de reach thing dra kirang gi kare to la chik chigi ine changma chok tham je la kirang gi discipline to ge on de try che dra you are trying to make balance towards your relationship and career and your personal health and personal well-being ra you are trying to make balance in these 4 aspects of your life ra on the day do chitingi do ani kirangi trip and liya travel and chia current energy the kiran currently chik chena travel chiri re chik chena travel che char chik chena trip chin liya chik chena liya plannings kar gang ta the trip and travel and do chitingi dra kirangi ye yen la trip chia travel che de chitingi do ani kirangi the life gang to pe balance che ge chime kirangi da lekala do so to health kala do so to kirangi da relationship chola do so pe apotun to so so ngi nyo do so do so apotun to ani de gang so so keep che de travel trip den de len to gera gang pe balance life pe balance che gera oh den de current energy den de chitingi do andi je current energy yang kiran sam da currently kandi chungudula na samlo pe mangbo khone simba ki me kyo chagi me do sam chigra simba ki me kyo chaya that is samlo di yang kiran gi career chola shuk chimbo tang ni insigre relationship chola bya kiran gi chik madi wa ni madi wa de samlo shuk chimbo khone samlo yungyo ne kiran la ti sam kalit tigi me do sam current energy de do chitungi dra samlo shuk chimbo pe ta minda nam tok ta minda le chi ora negativity shuk chimbo le chi wo ne de samlo shuk chimbo le ki me kyo chak tende insen la ni yakpu ma do tende insigra current energy this chick on the day to dura ini kang tup try to make it balanced ra you're thinking a lot, you're doing overthinking, you're not happy, your current energy looks like you're overthinking and you're thinking negativity. Okay, lots of negativity thoughts are coming in your mind, so that's why sometimes you're unable to sleep at night. This can be also possible for you right now. This is your current energy ra ani khari tingi dula na career dang ani dende gi chola yang kirangi ta relationship dang dende gi chola yang tis chik chia tsane yang tis ha go nye chia dende go chu po dende yong tsan advice yang liya kirangi chik chena yang kirangi consult chia dende yisi ra chik la consult chia ga thoya dende yisi re dende samlo yugire khashi consult chi yugire khashi danda chia samlo yugira o dende do chi tungi du yang career so ya puso go samne chik tsala ta tis chik so consult to linga thoya do the relationship ya puso chi do consult ya na chik mental thought the positivity that this chik so mental this sympathy sangma kyu sha chi do yang consult le to kandis chori le to da de insira this go supu chik this go chungi chik zani this consult le ra you are taking some consultant from to make your career better, or this can be your relationship, or this can be your health, mental well-being. You are trying to take some advice from the professional this kind of situation for you right now. This is your current energy. Okay, and you can the week next week ki guidance ra next 7 days ki guidance karili do next 7 days guidance. Okay, next 7 days guidance chirdan pinging che mohang sang ya do positive do the indication de gomindura karila idula na try to make balance. You are trying to make balance right now, and for a guidance it's saying that trying to make balance towards your mental well-being and physical health and your relationship, your career. You have to bring balance in these all aspects of your life. Okay, for next 7 days, this is your guidance. And your second guidance, okay, try to communicate openly and try to do a teamwork. Teamwork is going to be very good, so you have to listen elder people's advice. Okay, you have to listen and you have to use your own mind as well. Okay, on the little to the advice to you the Nigoya Soso Gele, but especially Tangoya counter Soso Chipo, you do buy Kanka Machia, Shimbagi Lago Kanka Machia, Nika Yera, Shimbagi Kalidu, Soso Libana Kalidu, Nika Domni Karichagi do like your oath and Dura, and a team walked in the next 7 days. Shimbagi get this Nigo, a team walk Chigo, Raund, and the Soso is some Lokanga or Montoya, Shimbagi Kari identity do one day do she to the next 7 days. Can I get you doing guidance reader? And it can I get you to Karili Dulana? Kalore, can I get you do health? Okay, health can I get healthy? Yapo search that try a mambuchi in a canatis chicta. Kachawi shitatis come. Can pay action mangbolin the so supuya posuech the healthy mental well-being, physical well-being gichidu the meter try chidra the pen mental so pay more color mental yaposuech the kirangita color meditation kito the any positivity to that minda try che meditation chair to the ya positivity le chidu affirmation, good affirmation ending yet to the morning affirmation but the simple you say the minda try che the yang yapushita chamindu mental peace tishita litu mindu sameto dara yang physical health kan lakaji yang pe so supo na cha tiskange do thidu tatila pabi sabsam ye chi minjurim ba lingyu ta ine shita pingi mindu sameto da ti chikta da confusion kan lakira andi to chitungi dura tindi in ba next 7 days la kiran so la khari dulana tandu yapuse try che de dara ani minjurim ba de ragidu. Okay, mental yapuswe in a physical yapuswe in a re so natsa and any do tap in a re next 7 days la ragya ra tin do ni try che de ragi do in a do na yapu che guera kari yumune ngala pingi do na this chick samlo deep tang guera o tin do chiting do. Okay, 렐레데 삼로 약보탄 거에 지둥이더라. 어머니가 가리빙 얘다 트라이 드라민데 치유디나는 약쇼가 어머니 가리빙 교회나 내죠. 가지 키랑이 트라이 망법에 제죠. 디 약보라 디제 디 약보라 디제 오 텐디도 다 mental 다 physical 키랑조 이티스틱 나사다 텐디 이강이 팅이 되솔라데다 가지는 키랑조 current energy and mental test 이강이 튀겨도 this overthinking 튀겨도 다는데 this 튀기고 메겨도 다는데 뚱이더라. 가지 지치도디 인디 health 라데 mental 간알리 도라 가지 나야 physical 수포 나사도 다는데 인기 라다 강들 키랑조기 this 오늘 소소 있음로 deep 땅내라 탁 추고야 오덴데 뚱이더라 next 7 days okay 아니 키랑조기 치도 relationship 라다 have pay fruitful 약부도 relationship 항상 약부도 심리게 고치고민도 pay positivity도 okay relationship 항상 약부도 단다바도 약부도 샤키랑기 relationship 다키랑기 relationship 라도 키랑기 파마 비징이녀도 도포도 키랑기 다 두수 수nhập 기기 오테게라 다 교와키메 따라 소소가 오카리바이네 다 pay positive 약부도 next 7 days 야 항상 약부도 키랑기라 항상 약부도 키랑기 패키지 시나 약부시기도 키랑기 칼라오릭 relationship chola 키랑기 pay 두수 약부 땅투야 칼라오르 두수 약부 룩투야 다 칼라오레 very positive towards your relationship okay your relationship looks very good for now and next 7 days is going to be very good as well in your relationship but for your mental or physical health you are going through some issues with your mental health or physical health. This can be a small issue or a big issue, okay? This can be anything, but you're finding the solution in next 7 days. But you have to keep focus, keep thinking, okay, to make it better. For this can be your physical health or mental health, okay? This can be anything. Most of you, I think this is your mental health because your current energy looks like overthinking, depression, insomnia, or this can be negative thoughts, this can be anything, okay? You're going through this kind of situation right now. Some of you, okay, not all, some of you, most of you, okay. 망치알라나 딕서를 가지니 가지직 다양배 positivity 유기라 망치에 지기치도 어때 레도 치등기도 오케이 이슈도 치등기도 타이네 티기리 게임이도 next 7 days like kiranzogira samlo ya potangdara kiranzola kalaure tablam di ratu du la share health kan relationship ta hansan yak pudu simde di ko min do okay ani kirangi career cholani career ya pe yak pudu career hansan yak pudu kiranzo ge health kan ti siglis ge health kan na sa chinju ende chembo ende karine insire ti sigli dura kaji chido ya mental issue do ingire ta overthinking che do samlo pe ma bu korea negativity shuk chembo le ya tende ingire kaji chido physical ra onde ne ingire okay career chola 항상 약보도 pay positive to kiranzo ichido okay sorry tanda badu kirangi lega kale gegyo digela changmati budu loptu ina lopchon chegyo changmati sal positive tungi du an tandu yang kirangi kale yakpu kya to ya lega pochi du ya oden tungi dura pay positivity shuk chimbu tungi du career kan simti komindo okay career is very positive okay no need to worry towards your career is very good, balanced, everything is positive, okay, and the relationship is very good, health little issue, but going to solve in this week. You're going to solve the health issue, okay. Can I get attract karichi do the attraction karila I heal the habit of fear and I embrace the habit of love, okay. Can I get a simnalangamda shinang chik danya chitsewa chingi dizu tharim bucha to re show to re chik laningamda to negativity to the social relationship chola this chik negativity to kigyo na di dunta dila kenangi negativity sangma lutang ani pe sewa shukchim buchi to ya jamjong ningje shukchim buchi to ya odin the habit of love ra I embrace the habit of love, okay. On the day do lead to Kirangichidra. Kirangi this simki kecharta Kirangira. I heal the habit of fear and I embrace the habit of love. Shinang shodo la shinang dipangne ani habit of love. Sewa chiadira Kirangi natural karishair lan sewa jam ningche la idra shaya on the to Gidra Kirangichid animal spirit guidance karilidra. Animal turkey spirit give it gratitude and grace okay the canal this dili that na gratitude to shukchimbo feel che wera canal da ba yakpo de karido de chola ra pe grateful feel che so physical health yakudwe I'm so grateful towards my physical health, my mental health, my relationship, whatever I have on the kichida I'm so grateful ra on the grateful feel che wera on the shukchimbo to the grateful kari tola in be grateful kilana chinjinchi inere chimbo in kari I'm very grateful ra di chigo du dikinagi chido animal guidance the next 7 days kichido okay animal guidance kani ingji mo lesra da so go message tege pe ingji mo chine rai prewa yo ani ngerang ge chido reading tagamsi ani ngendo disi pala tuchina ani ngerde che yang Just lay you lot so any kiranzo gichi the next 7 days ra tari chongani is such padla kare chongudo on the color reading ila shwai ani tambo kirangi current energy ra kirangi current energy okay the death card or the currently chik kalawri this kanye to dang ani this simba kyu megyo to dang ani yang kari ni sirra thende chik yang kaji chik chido yang pe kanye shuk chimbo supu inasa nani kanye to sim kyu me be kanye thendo kanye shuk chimbo chik 중화 도당라 that is all to 도당야마 that 중심바 도당 가진 the current energy this is your current energy so you are going through some difficulties some struggle you are struggling in your career this can be in your relationship or this can be in your health or career this can be everywhere anywhere ra kirangi chokchigla pe kangi shuk chimbu thi de yo shira da currently on the day do stingi do ani kangi yama thi chane da kangi dini ma thün thya tho da yana kangi da thi shim ba de ngirira okay ni mangche chi chi da peaceful chogla saja yaga chogla da so so di kangi di career chogla im ba ne saja this career yaga yosa lega yaga yosa ra on the chola yaga chola to a relationship kala de nyokta de na the peaceful chola to era count up to be shidi yosala to ya o de thing do next maridi kirange current energy now you are going in a better place okay if you are going through some struggle issues in your career you are going to going in a better place some of you are going right now some of you already gone and era on the in a better place ra in a relationship more peaceful you're seeing more peaceful on the thing any relationship like that peaceful okay and self love kiran so the self love count to ta kanye de mangche chik ta kanye de chik makeup chik the ne ra chunju chimpo khande ne kanye chik the ne de ma dyen shi ba do shi thing dura kanye de ma dyen ani ta da kari chola thu do la na self love so pe se wa chera ani kang tuk tuk gi positivity chola thyo den de tungi da kangi din ma thön peaceful so shiri yosa so shiri se ya the relationship for example relationship chila nyokta shuk chimbu thugyo aina ani ni ma tak par ending nyokta du chung de gyo na kyo mara da ine thanda kirangi ta ondi ni ma thön an kang tuk tuk gi na positivity chola this kang tuk tuk gi shiri yosa kang tuk tuk gi kyo se ya ondi de kang tuk tuk gi mutual understanding se ya den de do chira ta di health kala career kala kala ni sir kirangi kangi dine ma thön better place la doya and better place and kirangi self love shuk chimbu chiara any situation you are going through any situation right you are going in a better place and then you are coming out from that situation and you are going in a better place and you are self-loving you are doing practicing self-love positivity and everything okay next 7 days ke chedu guidance kiranzola karili idulanara di kirangi connect energy da dira next 7 days la guidance karili idula na kirangi lebana la da idea chigra tende chik chena yapudu so misi yapuji chasare yana career yapuji chasare yana di relationship yapuji yana health yapuji chasare lan so ida idea chi lebana la le di chiora da mind knowledge idea le di oh the idea di yapudu apply che la le idu da whatever you are thinking right now you are having some idea some thoughts right now if you are going having some thoughts to do something to make better to make your life better towards your relationship this can be anything okay relationship or this can be towards your career or towards your health you are thinking to do something then do it do it okay apply it whatever in your mind whatever you have idea you just have to apply it for this this is your guidance for next 7 days okay just be practical on the nedoshira kirangi kare do chi samlo na la yo ai ne practical che da apply che la ni ting gi dra kha chin che go ina me na ta de idea chi da li de ne kha che go na so this confusion do yo ai na and apply che sho yak pu du la ni li do ke guidance la kiran so kare thoughts to the yo ai ne re na ani kirangi next guidance di kare li do la na ani ti simbal rok pa chi ya sim sang chi ya ning je chi ya cham kyong chi ya kirangi ata ti ti mi do nga ti ki u chang mi do nga la de ti mi do la so complain mind do shukchembuligi waina ani kenala karili du tanyingje shukche gomya shembala shembai chola kanye pachogi kanye shukche ta thuya try chera pachodi la kare kanye du sula kare kanye ti du sosoi nyenye rogna la su kare kale ti du de la this ropa che thugya kang tu simsang chiara ningje komya on the next 7 days kenala on the do dra ningje che ropa che shembala no the do shitung du dikirangi guidance reda to help others whoever going through some difficulties you can help them and this is your guidance. Just help them, okay? Whoever going through some difficulties in a relationship, in a career, this can be anything, okay? So your surroundings, if they need your help, please help them. This is your guidance for next 7 days, okay? Want you to be kind towards others, be passionate, okay? Be kind, be compassionate. Ani teaching can health. Okay, health kan kirangi satisfaction me gyo doshi tungi do danda era kirangi health kan de doshi to de ne di min du sam ye cho de ne doshi tungi do nga health yak po sheta to min du nga ya so do zupu de thang so do semba ki u so do nga da currently yugyo de di min du la ne ra on de doshi health kan de ya na kirangi ba legal shuk chimbu do so tang business so legal lop chong de la ba do so shuk chimbu tang yo ina dang health mental health emotional physical health kan nga district do nang chego do la ne so district time so the health kind of time thing, okay? If you are very busy in your working, okay, business, workplace, or this you are studying, then now is the time you are thinking that now I have to improve my health as well. I have to give some time for my health, mental health, emotional health, physical health, okay? On the right now you are not satisfied with your health, okay? So you want to make it better. For next 7 days you are going to work towards your health, okay? Kashi yang sempa ki uyu marra kashi yang supu 대당 여기 말하텐데 가레직 소소라 야나 카시 소소 수부 칸디 요 온디 단단네 current 다 소소이다 physical 지겨라 physique 지고온데라 시데 뒤바 마캉야 아니 약포스에 트라이라 온데데 둥이도 next 7 days 라 okay health 칸라 키랑기 healthy 열게 땅야 health 라 두수둥야 오딘 둥이도 아니 relationship 촐 말다 lovers 카 relationship the perfect the pay 약포 next 7 days 항상야 relationship 약포도 the lovers card 레서스라 키랑기 단다 봐도 kirangi ning yo tsewa yosata kirangi ta suimba ine ondela ta dusu shira tuntu mewa na the next 7 days dusu pe ya putuntu ya pe tsewa chia pe openness chia pe deep connection ra your relationship looks very good for next 7 days, okay? You're going to have mutual understanding, mutual respect towards each other, okay? Whoever your loved one, this can be anyone, okay, in your relationship. And 항상 약보통기도 be positivity. That allow me to the lovers card lets us rather gay allow me to kirangi tanda badokchi kariti mindu relationship chola. Then it's yona the understanding to the ani kechangin bu share to the keep to the be deep feeling to the and karri legi kirangi to bashukchim bu shagyo sangma next 7 days la le to gya, okay? The lovers card lead that relationship the perfect redara. And 항상 very positive towards your relationship for next 7 days, okay? Ani kirangi chedu karili do career kangla. Okay, King of Cups, the career kangla ine kirangi satisfaction do next 7 days, okay? Career ya hangsang ya pudu kirangi career chola kirangi pe lega ya pu kali kyap to ya dibu dun to ya kiranga ani deba khang ya career chola nge ya pu da kali gyathu du same jo so de career hangsang ya putungi do, okay? Career esimdi komin do kirangi physical the mental this health kan la treating kan la this chikiran la da dissatisfaction me do chitungi dra di yarge tangya kan la di tunta dinala kirangi di yarge tangya la so gira health yarge tangya kan la du mang putanya tutungi dra ini kirangi relationship perfect rappe yakpo chaya next 7 days hangsang yakpo do, okay? Ani di kan la kirangi chidu career kirangi satisfaction do career la kirangi koyo sam thigyo aina tadanga tende opportunity chi koyo tende leka chi koyo sam de na raya chang shukchim bodo in kirangi gesi chi leka do chedi kali gyadi gyo na dela tibu pe apu dun to ya so gi ne kale pe apu gyatu ya ani kirangi be satisfaction next 7 days career gan hangsang yakpo do, okay? Chita ne keja share to da ani emotionally ke kirangi be handle yakpo chi to ya, okay? Career looks very good for next 7 days and relationship is perfect for next 7 days, okay? Right now you're going through some health. This health can be physical health, emotional health, or mental health issue, okay? You are going through some small mild issue or big issue, okay? Whatever you are going to make it better towards your health, okay? You are going to work towards your health to make it better, okay? Health kan kirangi kali ke tungidu chirtang na kirangi relationship pyak puchaya du career pyak puchaya du, okay? Next 7 days hangsang yak pudu ani kirangi chidu deep dikare attraction kirangi gare attract chi try chi do, okay? Kirangi life na la next 7 days la kirangi kare attract chi try chi du, okay? Kirangi chidu karili du. When I am connected to spirit, I feel a sense of certainty, magnitude and ease that I have never known before. I'm connected to the spirit. I feel a sense of certainty, magnitude and ease. Okay, kerangira this chick meditation chair, this chick meditation chair, and connected to spirit. Okay, and so spirit, so in deep down connect chair see to the yana so la de dog nange and yora so ta so yit namgyun so la te pa che melam tap tigura lam dog yung ya chi do tigela kerangi te pa che melam tap shildin to kyrgyo ana tende tön chi du ani kerangi so peda kiu pe 항상 ya certainty ra pe da dewa sim la shukchimbu topkidu pe hele do feel chi du lai de tungi dura next 7 days on the day shakirangi chi do okay ani di chene kerangi chi do animal spirit ki guidance kare kheli dura yeah animal spirit ki guidance kare kheli do chik tawra di guidance dikira next 7 days la animal spirit kira animal spirit the turtle spirit leader kiranzola turtle spirit okay and thi khala the slow and steady wins the race okay ni kirangi da health kan latis yarge ta shuk chimbo samtang idura chirda ne kirangi career dang ti kan la ne hangsan ya pudu guidance ne penging chimo lesra current energy la kiran la death card chi lesra di chik jena kirangi currently chik zo wara to chik jung ti ge ti zo to den ki shi yore ani relationship kirangi health kan la ti chik di leswa ani won di du insar the health ya pu soele du su kurgi re le chwa slow and steady wins the race okay leka khare chaga to ai ne khale gale cheure ni matak par muthu ne cheure pe yak chagri le cho ni machik la sang mon tuk tu and ke yo mare son de de kina la guidance dili okay kina zo la tam message so lo go de message pe ying chi machine ra yo pere wa yu ani kalaure kila ngi chi do reading tangam si ani ngin dung de sik pala tu che na ani ngir de che yo dash tele truk lo ta zo kina zo ki chi de next 7 days ra tari chong ani sajik par do la khare khare chung du ani kala reading yi la share ra ani tang kina ngi current energy check chi gi ra kina zo ye current energy khande do chi kene de sha da currently ra okay ani page of cups kina la dang show ko la thili dura ani current energy kiran zog pe sopsodo ken deshira kalawre recently kiran zog shopping to chi sigri ra ani dulonging chemo ding ya to dang ra dulo so la lembo yo namgin andi ya to da yana so la pen to ya rik chi ra recently kiran zog purchase chewa to tingi durata kalawre tape to dang so yarge tang chi to tende insigiri ta khari ne chikta kinange recently this chigera purchase chewa to chik chimbu tengi do okay khari ne chik sawa chinyo to chik chimbu tengi dura ani kinange chedu current energy la khari li dulan okay life balance so pe try chigyo to tingi dura da kinange life la pe balance kinange duzu changma la tyen to ya so relationship chola duzu tyen to ya so ye lega chola duzu shuk chimbu tyen to ya so ge health chola duzu shuk chimbu ta kan tra kinange pe balance so ya chike o de tingi dura ani trip and le tende tingi do yang kinan ze ra kinan ze trip to pa to kam to to dang trip chinji tende ra on de tingi do ni financial gi mix gi kinan gi financial chola kinan gi this chik samla shuk chi bo so financial freedom chi le do da side hustle income and sugi la do income yapu sugi la do the financial chola samlo tangi odo tingi do current energy la okay o ani kenan zogi career so gi ra career yarge ta ya kala shuk chimbo ti chigi odo career yarge ta ya ta so gi ra expand chia yarge ta ya o de kala shuk chimbo ni tharing bu ende lega chega thoya ra city shimba ende lega chega thoya country shimba ende lega chega thoya tinde tingi do ra kenan zogi da lupchong chingi ba ne lupchong ende suggestion ba ende lupchong chega thoya tis chigra higher education gi chido yang apply chiya tinde yeting gidra kinan zogi current energy on the day do chitin gi do okay the khari thola so kali kya de ne on the yerge ta ya on the gan la du se yak putun to ya balance so ya live la on the day do chitin gidra ani yang keep yang tang ya trip yang ling ya ra trip travel change and beach side la de ding ship chimbo ting gidra mang che chi gi chido ingire ani beach side la de keep trip change de ling ya ra te ting gidu okay di kenan so ye current energy re tara next 7 days ki chido guidance kar li du okay ni kirangira next 7 days la khare tingi to la na complete kirangira ta tanta pa to kirangi gin shuk chimbu khepe ta kirangi samlo shuk chimbu kher de chi yola danga tende chik chodo khe do da yana nga gin pe shuk chimbu khe family gi gin khe leka gi gin khe career ya health kan la nga tende yak pu sugi la ni chik chim mang pu chi gro ta yo tende ta so burden kan la so iluk sha chi yora ani next 7 days la tis chik kuyang hlulu chi ya tanda pa to gin shuk chimbu chi khigyo na tis chi complete che ra da 내가 지키르다 소야 미고 지 제디기요나 다다 내가 데이터 계란게 다 삼샤에도 솔리샤라에도 지다 내가 디 카리니 시리라 소소 헬스 간라 칼리 shukchimbo over the burden kia yana soso ge career chola pe burden shukchim mixi ge career chola pe shukchimbo tengi dura career chola pe soso 아이 슈케네 내가 체치미 빼 약부서에치도 빼깔래 항상 다 체도 지어라 체레 개와 칼리게 온데디 도시등이더라 되게 장만 next 7 days like 치도 디치다 complete 체다 this 훌루라 디치 훌루 치고야다 엔데 긴 슈침보 마케 엔데 pressure 소소소 간라 pressure 슈침보 마테 레지어라 온디 guidance 리기도 next 7 days la 디치 훌루 샥 치타는 게 sorry current energy la this tripling ya this keep the thing we do in the next 7 days la ni kang thup thup ki ti chik lele de and pressure so gang la maluk la di li dura guidance okay kenan zo khaji chi yone shuk chimbu gen ki etsi ge ge sar shuk chimbu gyurwa da etsi ge do shuk chimbu gen ke do le ga na shuk on den lop chong ni tang ni ma chi la sang ma chang sha gi le thu da ra den de in ba na ni ti chi ra ti 세도 꺄네 티체라 아니 next 7 days like 이란소 가리뚱기도라나 계자 가리시와네 삼로티시 약보 땅네 계자 시고야 직뚱기도 오케이 디 양카시 지치도 가이던스 텐델리도라 계자 가리시기와 이네 믹스기 relationship 나라라 relationship 나라 키란소게 대화 이거 지어라 파마 빈징이 니도 보통모 다 교가기 메사상 가리인 딱 대화 이거 지어라 디나라 키란기 계자 가리시와 이네 믹스기 대화 나 relationship 나라랑 뚱기도라 디계자디 계자디 강톱톱기 식디zo this nimbo 강톱톱기 nim보시야 강톱톱기 잠보시야 강톱톱기 약보시야 오케이 only can la guidance lead다 when in next 7 days yang can some 카니마티 short document of in the lung and the two dang chicken tapon ra so nang mi pinchena la and short one ingje pajo se bakyo do around the ingire yang on the ingire the in the canal guidance karili du kang tup tu be sikni boshia khajam boshia pe ra kang tup tu get sik den so pe sub che go relationship na on the guidance li do okay guidance tirang rishira 강도 또 있어서 심바에네 베 상마샤야 positivity 강라 샤야 텐데 guidance 리도 next 7 days 키랑 게치도 오케이 니 키랑 게 health 야 health 라 데기 딜리스라 health 강라 키랑 게베 칼리게 약부스에 지게 이더라 health 강라 issue 충충지 whatever you are going through in your health okay don't take too much burden for next 7 days this is your guidance okay don't pressure yourself too much okay try to take balance pressure okay balanced don't take too much and second thing is don't say whatever comes in your mind okay say it very carefully towards your relationship this is mostly for the relationship okay be very careful whatever you say whatever you use what kind of words you are using towards your relationship okay be very careful towards whatever you are communicating you're speaking okay you're telling them be very careful don't use harsh words this is your guidance for next 7 days okay and don't take too much burdens be a little bit playful and light this is guidance for you for next 7 days and for the health karili dulana health kind this confusion okay health 약보 간디스 쓰고 있나 도요라 다소소 디스 소분나게요나 간디스 약보 쓰고 있나 심디스 기우 메게요나 약보 간디스 쓰고 있나 기우 간디스 쓰고 있나 혈류 간디스 되고 있나 아니 디스 직 버든 슈침부 키기요나 레가 슈침부 제 버든 슈침부 키기요나 아니 디스 버든 뉴스 간디스 쓰고 있나 강톱톱기 혈류 간디스 되고 있나 라이 쇼데데 키랑게 따텐데 카리네 이시라 소소 헬트 간라 디스 약보 간디스 쓰고 있나 라이 next 7 days 소소소 on the question tine 소소소 health 약보 쓰야라 health physical health mental health karinera you're going to walk toward in your health okay for next 7 days to make it better this can be your physical emotional mental this can be anything okay you're going to you want to make it better and you're asking yourself a question how can I make it better for next 7 days okay so solid what hela khande do chik chening healthy yakpu chik sego ina la cha Shebada zo pe healthy yakpu ti du ngara health kan la kan dis yerge tango na la ti li du question okay yakpu du next 7 days health kan la lega chi du ani relationship kan la wheel of fortune okay the relationship ta chirda ni pe 항상 yakpu du ngi next 7 days kerangi de ba khandi ge nang sin chik dup to ya kerangi tanda kajinana kerangi relationship kan la mati wa do da khari chun chun chi chi khari yo ani sangma rang singi pe solve pe solve chini sort out like that solve chao to pe yakpu chao to relationship looks very good for next 7 days okay everything is becoming better and better and solving every problem if there was any issues in a relationship everything is solving okay next 7 days relationship is going to be very good for you 항상 약보 lucky 항상 pe 약보 차야라 단다바도 충진치주 마디 와도 단체 relationship 나 가리도 욕생욕다 진지진지 치보 가리도 요와이네 next 7 days 상마 solve 라페 섭섭 체니라 약보 차도요 덴디 튀기더라 next 7 days 항상 약보도 relationship 샘데 코미도 항상 약보도 career 간 오케이 career 가 this 징욕다 도당 아니 this 직라 레가 치서 쫄라 소소이라 롭종 치사 레가 치사 비즈니스 치사 된데 이 촉라 안디 징욕다 career도 지키란 게 단다 도디요와 이네레 아니 career 직레와 이네레 교랑기 강뚝뚝 셈발릴로티야 기자 너디게 오 career chola 교랑기 바딘 페슈크 침부케 소소소 교메게 소야도다 아니 소소소 이게 자트 직섭섭시고 이 relationship 라라사다 relationship 라 가시기 지도 인기레라 아니 가시지기 치도 디 career cho라레도다 career cho라 녀성녀도 가릴레와 이네 기차 페라 point to point yakpolaya ani nakpo malaya kang tuk tuk ke ja sub communication pe yakpo chego yara sikten zo kang sub pe jo tang goya o den de gi do career chola khajina nyokching nyok dal gi du chik kakpa do dang ande khalaure mi gi kakpa do da opinion sta middle le do da ani khira la kakpa khe do da khari ni si career chola da this no lo ma thyu ande chung do da di kap so ani khenang gi kang tuk tuk 개차 쌉쌉 샴푸 약보 칙 되게 빼닝지 뭐 약보 배주 당 두고야 어디 가이던스 리도 오케이 망제지 치드 당인의 relationship 주의라 career 초래도 어디 오케이 강뚝뚝게 쌉쌉 시고에 뜻 녀석녀다 가릴려와 있네 오케이 강뚝뚝게 쌉쌉 시고에 any and in your career any opinion any advice any this kind of things are coming towards you so you have to be very careful and while you speaking to them okay this can be anyone everyone or anyone okay in your career side so you have to communicate very carefully and say it politely and use point to point sentences okay so one day this is your guidance towards your career I said relationship but this can be for your career as well as a guidance okay 강톡톡게 삽삽 쉬고요 one day next 7 days 안디체니 됐가도 오케이 디체니 상마다 기란게 complete 차도에 치라 카레도 치마디와도 카레도 치 중교 아이네 아니 complete 다 completion 다 마디와 치 중대하게 되게 상마 조도에도 또이 relationship 나 있으라 any issue anything happening for you repeatedly bad thing okay issues bad things these things are going to complete in next 7 days and you're going to feel better lighter okay this little feel change on next 7 days on the thing you do ani kalaure kirange attraction what are you attracting okay kirange attraction kare chola kirange attract chidu yeah, when I'm connected to the spirit, I feel a sense of certainty, magnitude, and ease that I have never known before. Okay, keranzogi kariliidula mangche chidura kariliidula sosola lama ende chik debache shalden kyoria todang sosoi debache melam tabia dende shukchimbo chingi mangbo yosar keranzo vivarnalara di indio one ligido. I'm connected to spirit. Okay, sosoi pe something debache melam tabia shalden kyoria tab nimata parmachini kyoria mani thangya chik yora sosoi melam tab desa chik yana so meditation chia tende chedu karidula na certainty magnitude and ease ra pe da lele feel chia da shide feel chia q feel chia simde mewara pe yakpo chagi do's that I've known before is that I've never known before ni majungyo gi semla shide kiu yakpuchik chungi tu songon dende lidura kiranzo dende samgyu gire danda samgi meba in the next 7 days la dende samyagi chance chuk chimpudo okay ni kiranzo mangche chigida danda samgyu gire sheldon kyoya thodan dende melam tabe thodan toma saya thodan chik kiranzo viewer nana mangbo yosaringi sembalo okay digi danda di lidura ani kiranzo la animal spirit ki kari ki lidula na okay animal spirit pick spiritly did I use your mind wisely okay that can all day guidance the connection ya bo 항상 ya de 결혼기 삼로 빼 약부땅 네 계자시고에 삼로 약부땅 거에 탁 약부 추고에 탁 가리치고 전에 삼로 약부땅 거에 탁 추고에 계자 가리치고 전에 섭섭치는 시고에 직 뛴기도 디랑 리샤 넥스 7 데스 삼로 약부땅 탁 약부 추니 계자 가리치기 위에 베식 된저 섭섭 베주 땅 거에 시도 돼 animal spirit 기 다랑 딜라 confirmation careless use your mind wisely okay 키랑기는 삼로 빼 약보 비주당 가진 career 촉라 망체지기 치도 디치다 요청 역다 도다 직마디와 도다 직엔데 용기도 아디 값은 소소레바 약보 비주당 라이죠 소소라 use your mind wisely okay this is your guidance from animal spirit okay so this is confirmation for this card. This card says your guidance says be very selective when you are talking to okay talking to and using the words ra kirangi sikten su beju tang de bes sabchin beju tang ko kitchen sab shego point to point shego you have to say point to point okay on the need to think it and use your mind as well so this is the confirmation for this card okay use your mind wisely mahang sangera de kena la guidance de shuk chimboli da di gari chola ne chinji chi ingir khaje chi chi issue chimboye yungsira gari baine so dis chi ra ke ja shiri sab shia ani samlo ya potangera gari tak choga dugo ne na samlo ya potang goyo de de shira ta on de de shili de kenan chi nin chi dani kenan chi do career chola kenan zo kale shuk chimbu ke ge do tingi do relationship ne hangsang ya putu dura ani yakpudu pe yakpudu simde de mixe ko mindu lan share ani so lo ga message de pe ning chi machine ra yu pe wa yu ani kerangi chi do reading tangam si ani ngendung de sik pala tu chi nang ani ngir de che yong touch the later the so kenangi chi the next 7 days kare kare chungu do on the color reading yi tarik chongani ni sangi ni sajik parla ra tarik chongani ni sangi la khani short de ni sajik parla re in tangbo kenangi current energy chik chigira andi chini kare kare chungu do guidance kare kare do on the okay current energy heartbreak betrayal sympathy skill me getting the current energy sympathy mindu ta di sympathy kiblu diang so khaga ra khashi chi de sympathy me ge chunju chi chunga do khashi chi de sympathy me ge hangsang chi bu chunga de insigre heartbreak betrayal ra on the kare ni insigre sympathy kyu me ge this current energy kenang ge on the do shitting de de kari kyu me ge chagi da so hago ra de ndi okay en kenan zo ge current energy la king of swords okay ani kenan zo da pe mind tadic to ra next tanga ge ja khandi chi shego do samlo khandi chi khergo do ani thak khandi chego do la chime on the so mind is studied to think it ra kenan zo hangsa studied on purity positivity samlo this positive chola shuk chimbo khere de de think it ra samlo this tapu ge chi ge do ka chila na heartbreak to the symbol na samlo da mi da nam to da mi da li ni kyu me ge che de insi ra tin so samlo this tapu ge try che de ingire ani so pe kyu me ge cha indu ni so sympathetic so tapu ge try che cho de ingire ra kenan zo this kyu me ge tin do current energy la ra this khaje chi de kyu me ge chinju chi ingire khaje chi de jang kyu me ge shu chimbo de ne chung insi situation de ra ani on de tin do ani kenan zo ge chi do so taking stand for yourself ra ani so ichi so da nga gi chi do kali nga gi la to da de me oh de do chi career chola tes chik shukya kali kya de tungi dura ani ta khariche go confusion tungi dura seta khariche go go ma chok ta kali gya to ine kali khandi chola shukche gya gore khariche go ri da khare ro chi che go na di chi ku ma su wa this confusion do chi kani energy kiran zo cho de do chi tungi do okay ani next 7 days la kiran zo chi do guidance karili dura guidance okay guidance karili do okay harmony in the relationship tang dende yakpu so chi do kang tup gi samshi shuk chimbul ke sho la jo relationship na la on the guidance le do kenan zo relationship ge heartbreak in sig ra khaje chi do ta khaje chi do da this break up cha to dang ra khaje chi do yang bet khonam break up to dam mi chik mewa cha do dong de ta khari ne ta dende ra so chik relationship chola this chik problem to in neck up this chik tupa do shoro dende relationship na kyu me ge do chungyo ai na harmony the relationship the chamdun yakpo yonghe chidu kang tup tup ya mutual understanding the ke show lai jo mutual understanding the le dang bo kerang ge understanding che go zu lai jo pa jo mi de la ta pa jo mi di so zo pa ma pe je nyen nyen to bo to mo bu bo mo khari ne isi ra so zo bu gu chawo chamo o de de so yung bane that is understanding level thombo so la de le du ta kena la ra next 7 days ki chidu guidance okay next 7 days ki guidance chik dikyo pe kyu me kyu pe ta sim la kang shuk chembo thigyo ai na ni consultant ling go ya de li do okay da kena hang sang kyu me kyu cha depression do cha chik na chilu thungi ma do to cha mi sim ba la ke ja singi ma do to cha de duk cha cha gyo ai na ani kena ge help len go ya ke shi do okay help so ra consult chi go ya ra psychologist and sala to go ya ke cha shi go ya na so yin yo da yakpo ende yo ra so lo pe sam shi yakpo chi thungi din zu sala to ne ke cha shi go ya chik kanyi din zo shi go ya de tungi do okay kanyi khashi la hang san shuk chimbo yo sari dai ne changma la ingi mari mang che la da ingi mar khashi che la den de shuk chimbo yo sara de ge la ani kerangi kang tup tup ki next 7 days la help lento wache rokpa che la ni lento wache okay currently your energy looks little bit down feeling sad betrayal heartbreak breakup this can be anything okay you're going through some this kind of situation right now this is your current energy and you're thinking try to make yourself positive and try to make yourself strong okay because you are going through some issues and you're confused towards your career as well okay so this is your current situation and for the guidance you have to bring the balance and bring understanding mutual understanding in your relationship to make it harmonious okay now on the relationship la kirangi kang to bring understanding in the relationship okay deep level of understanding so this is your guidance for next 7 days and if you're going through very bad situation like you are fighting your mind you're depressed your anxiety insomnia this kind of situation if you're going through this kind of situation then you have to take help from the professional or this can be someone who can understand you and listen to you okay so this you need to take help if you are going through that big issues but if this is small issues then in next 7 days you are going to feel better tende do guidance li do da yang kashi ngone kanyi shuk chimbo nan to de sare ne tende da nyunyu ingire ra ni yang kiran so chinji thoughts to da tende li yo anta so kan de solve che do ta ne ra solve che kang tup tup gira so ki usu ya solve che on de do shi tungi do ke next 7 days kang tup tup semba ki usha go meditation che go ra okay ni for your health ani kiran ge health ke che do ra kiran la opportunity sawa ya po chi li do yang na kanyi tigyo ay na ani kirangi chedo yang tende chena ya pore la to chik dara mangche chik do mental health la problem do ara se bakyu me mental health emotional health kala problem da tigela ya pu soe gi kokap ligi to next 7 days okay ya pu soe shidi soe sim la shidi bringing the peace of mind ra le to gi chidu you are you are receiving some opportunities to make your health better okay this can be physical emotional mental health okay you are receiving some opportunity ra kokop sangpu chi kirangi ra health ya pu soya gang la li du la ni shwe next 7 days kirangi kesi health issue gang la to de yo ai na yang kesi kiran zo da perfectly fine issue and the game ya che yak tha jo da khaje chi ra yak tha jo da yu ni yo ra de ge la dandu ya ga soya gi ra so strong so ya ga soya gi den de gi kokop li du la shwe health gang la ra health tandu yapusera health la dida katsu yapusene dagam ski ta chima future la yaga yori la ni yapusera dende gi kokap sangpuli gi do okay ine da mangche ji energy kan tungi dulana mental emotional health this yapu me go to tungi do okay da dikiran so hago ra so linya re ni healthy yenge yara ta de gi chi de yang health kan la yaga se to yani kesi kiran kan yi kan to de ni de solata hangsa yapura da de ko kapra so health yapu so gi chi do ko kap sangoli du physical health ra to den so boy to den sim gi kan yi ra ka ni ne so tu to ya gi so la ko kap sangbu chi li du ta dira di gi ta kiran de chi chena ni ta lam den chi ni de ni si ra ta de chi chewa na kiran sim pa ya pu cher pe ki u cher la de ingir ra on de do chi okay ni relationship chol ma relationship hang sang ya pu do kiran zo chi do okay get together chi do ta so pa ma bin chi ni do po do mo mi mang bo yun bu ni thuk me wa na changman zom thuk ya changman nyam ru nyam zom chi ni thuk tukya sozo pugu pama sau samu ta khalaure pobo mumu khariyo saman ta zomya tukya tendegi kokap sangbu tende shukchimbo tungidura kenagi relationship chol hangsang yakpu du next 7 days problem mindu relationship kirangi pe hangsang yakpu du ta pama binjenge nyedo dokpoto mo yunibun tugi mewa ina tukya an namgyun district chamdun shetaligi mewa na chamdun yungya pazu geja share communicate share chamdun yungya hangsang ya positive dullo relationship hangsang yakpu du kirangira dewa degi hangsang yakpu du next 7 days ra ani kirangi oops sorry career ka lidra career kang la kirangira financial yapu saving yapu che tungidura ani kirangi this team work che go tungidu career lara che go means the chesar next 7 days lara kirangi financial yapu sar saving yapu che sar ra kirangi da ba to pisha to torro she saving che tu me wa na next 7 days ni ma kirangi saving che la this samlo le che o da ne che ma the financial karila freedom to che do da chima mong pala so chikira security che do secure che do future the secure to make your future secure you are thinking to save some money okay for next 7 days how to save money and this kind of you're going to get some interested to learn how to save money for next 7 days okay for your future to make it secure future the secure ani saving che to dang ani kandis sa go na kandis save che go na khala lu go na khala save che ne sha go na khari che go na la do da de kang la this financial ga idea li du ani career chola chokching ne kari dulana kirangi teamwork chego shimbala this kejang yengo keja shego discuss chego de tungido okay so isamlo kari korwa di je shama ba je this chik pha so ning nyo de zungem de discuss che ni career kan dis yakpo so gore de kang la ra keja shego de tungido okay communicate chego keja shego this shimba ye kari lagi tu nyengo de do shi tungido next 7 days on de do shi kirangi interest sarara okay ni kirangi che de ni kat career galani chokngi extra less okay the new beginning kaje chi che do ya chik sawa chi ko so ye de to the next 7 days la ra kenan zo gira deep down kare attraction kande feeling chi kande feel chi ra kenan next 7 days deep down feeling kande do chi kene de do ra on the kolai and each time I choose to tune into spirit guidance of the highest truth shows up for me. Okay, keran kita kandi feel chidula. Chitan kyo soso ita deba chesa chigyo rata soso isula deba chigyo aine halam sula deba chigyo aine keran kita sheldon tokyo deba cheta chezon doma green tara tende yo rata soso doma changu. Tende dan tende la deba chigyo aine keran kita tende nyam do keran kita kanik chigirada soso ki konzo da sheldon kyo ya doma saya ani chikinga saya tende da yo rata mani tanga tende keran kita kari chigyo aine tende chiri ini keran kita ngone koncho ki do nangi tu lai 소소 있을라 대바지 술라 맨남 답게 온디 조난기도 랑케나라 이체 숙침부 직등기더라 온디 이체 숙침부 지키라기 셈나랑 열겨 직등기도 오케이 kiran sa chi on the day of sitting it rani kiran animal spirit ki next 7 days ki chedu guidance kare ki lidura fox spirit lido think on your feet okay ni chikera fox changbora ani samlo di yero atta soso ida this changbo wise 장보 제거해도 지둥이들 같은 거냐 feed okay 장보 제거해야 되는데 지둥이도 아니 디 fox spirit 카드위네 지경에라 차지경 록스 제어라 가지나 fox spirit 가상마에 레스라잉아 약부진 듯이 자식이민도 가지나 fox 디페니 뭐라 장보 배요리 니양코 메시지 약부 킬리를 거이라 아니 Be alert now, for fox spirit has appeared and you are meant to move swiftly. So let this clever spirit draw out your creativity as you adjust to rapidly changing circumstances with resilience, grace, and astuteness. For spirit helps you to think on your feet, using your best judgment and wits to help you slip into a more advantageous situation. Right now is not a time to hesitate, but a time for swift action of the mind. A time to think outside the box. Okay, time to think outside the box like this. Okay, ani kinan la di lagi dura. Chik yora samla ya potang goya changbu che goya dirang reshi fox spirit changbu che goya samla ya potang goya ani samlo chik creativity shuk chimbo ra so ita creative feel kan la lega chingi thende ye baina de zo che dura ta chik ta creative feel kan la lega chingi career chipu lao mar ra so lop chon chingi baina re yang so creativity be jo tang ye so healthy apu sungi ne re kyona relationship chola ne ra creative life so idea di ka luglu ra idea yapo de kele ani apply che that for example nang chik ta yapo setting tiko sa baina idea kili setting di tentative ta dinzo idea ra creative ra so soi den de page tang ko ya kang tar this mind shuk chimbo page tang ko ya de ke shi dra kirangi chile okay ni kirangi chile next 7 days tagam sresha pe hangsang ya pudu so logo message de pe ning chimu chin ra yu pe rewa yu ani kirangi kalaure reading tagam si ani ngendung disik pala tu chenang ani ngir de che yong